Epiphytic and parasitic plants. Epiphytic and parasitic plants grow on other living plants. Typically, epiphytic plants are not rooted in the soil. Instead, they live above ground level on the stems and branches of other plants. Epiphytes obtain water from trapped rainwater and from moisture in the air and minerals from organic matter that has accumulated on the surface of the plant on which they are growing. Like other green plants, epiphytes produce their food by photosynthesis. Epiphytes include tropical orchids and bromeliads, air plants, and some mosses that live in temperate regions. Parasitic plants obtain all their nutrient requirements from the host plants on which they grow. The parasites produce hostoria, root-like organs that penetrate the stem or roots of the host and grow inwards to merge with the host vascular tissue from which the parasite extracts water, minerals, and manufactured nutrients. As they have no need to produce their own food, parasitic plants lack chlorophyll, the green photosynthetic pigment, and they have no foliage leaves. Partial parasitic plants, example mistletoe, obtain water and minerals from the host plant but have green leaves and stems that are therefore able to produce their own food by photosynthesis. Epiphytic orchid, Brassavola nodosa. Scale leaf, aerial root, bark of tree to which epiphyte is attached, stem, node, leaf, flower, pedicel flower stalk. Peduncle inflorescence stalk. Epiphytic bromeliad, Echmea miniata. Overlapping leaf bases in which rainwater is trapped, leaf margin with spines, strap-shaped arching leaf part of rosette of leaves, flower bud, inflorescence spike, peduncle, inflorescence stalk, mass of adventitious root, stem, bark of tree to which epiphyte is attached. Micrograph of cross-section through aerial root of epiphytic orchid. Epidermis, inner layer of cortex, pith, exodermis, outer layer of cortex. Cortex layer between epidermis and vascular tissue. Cortex cell containing chloroplast, vascular tissue, xylem, phloem. Velamen, multi-layered epidermis capable of absorbing water from rain or condensation. Longitudinal section through epiphytic bromeliad. Scarlet star, Guzmania lingulata. Immature bracts, stem, immature flowers, swollen stem base, overlapping leaf base in which rainwater is trapped, bract leaf-like structure, leaf part of rosette of leaves. External view of plant parasitized by dodder. Stem of host plant, tip of dodder, stem showing circular movement around host plant. Inflorescence, spike of dodder flowers. Point of attachment of dodder stem to host stem, leaf of host plant, thread-like stem of dodder twined around stem of host plant. Stem parasite dodder, Cuscuta europea. Root parasite, broomrape, Orobanche species. Flower bud of broomrape, flower of broomrape, stem of broomrape, tuber of broomrape attached to host plant's roots through hostoria, penetrating organs that absorb nutrients from host vascular tissue. Main root of host plant, lateral root of host plant, shoot of broomrape, leaf of host plant, stem of host plant. Micrograph of cross-section through stem of plant parasitized by dodder. Stem of host plant, vascular tissue of host plant, xylem phloem, stem of dodder, union of host and dodder vascular stems, hostorium, penetrating organ that absorbs nutrients from host vascular tissue of dodder.